A father's health casts a long shadow, reaching beyond his own life to influence the well-being of his unborn child. While maternal health during pregnancy has long been emphasized, recent research has illuminated the critical role of paternal health, particularly regarding obesity. A groundbreaking study by the University of Sao Paulo's Ribeirão Preto Medical School has revealed the profound impact a father's weight can have on the health of his baby, underscoring the need for a paradigm shift in preconception care. For years, the focus on a healthy pregnancy has centered on the mother, but science is showing us that a father's health, especially his weight, can significantly impact his child's well-being even before birth. This study from Brazil sheds light on this crucial aspect of family health, urging us to reconsider the traditional emphasis on maternal health alone. This research is groundbreaking. It is prompting a shift in how we think about pregnancy. It is no longer just about the mother's health, but also about the father's responsibility for a healthy child. The findings of this study are a wake-up call for prospective fathers to prioritize their health, knowing their choices have far-reaching consequences. The study, which examined data from over 2,000 families, found a strong correlation between a father's body mass index, BMI, and his baby's birth weight and head circumference. Specifically, overweight and obese fathers were more likely to father babies with lower birth weights, a factor linked to a range of health issues later in life. This finding is particularly concerning as low birth weight is a known risk factor for chronic diseases such as obesity, type 2 diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. The study's findings are startlingly clear. A father's weight directly correlates with his baby's birth weight. Overweight and obese fathers were more likely to have babies with lower birth weights. This isn't just a matter of size, it's a matter of health. Babies with lower birth weights are statistically more vulnerable to a whole host of health problems as they grow. This isn't just about aesthetics or fitting into old clothes. This is about the long-term health and well-being of a child. A father's weight isn't just a personal matter, it's a family matter. These findings highlight the interconnectedness of family health, where a father's choices can have a ripple effect across generations. Furthermore, the study revealed that a father's waist circumference, a measure of abdominal fat, was also linked to a baby's birth weight. This finding suggests that the distribution of fat in a father's body may play a role in offspring health. It's not just about being overweight. Where that weight is concentrated matters too. The link between a father's obesity and his child's health lies in the intricate mechanisms of inheritance. Obesity can impact the quality and structure of sperm. Studies show obese men often have higher levels of DNA damage in their sperm, leading to mutations and gene expression changes passed to their children. A father's lifestyle choices can become his child's biological inheritance. Our genes are influenced by our environment and choices. A father's obesity can alter the genetic information he passes down, potentially predisposing them to health problems. This knowledge underscores the responsibility fathers have in shaping future generations. A father's lifestyle choices, particularly his diet, exercise habits, and smoking status, can significantly influence the genetic legacy he passes on to his children. A diet high in processed foods, saturated fats, and sugar can alter the epigenetic markers on genes, affecting how those genes are expressed in his offspring. Similarly, a sedentary lifestyle can negatively impact sperm quality and DNA integrity, increasing the risk of passing on adverse health outcomes. Our genes are not static blueprints. They are dynamic and responsive to our environment and lifestyle. What a father eats, how much he moves, and whether he smokes. All these choices can affect the way his genes are expressed in his children. This is a powerful concept. Our daily habits have the potential to shape the health of future generations. Let's consider diet. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides the body with the necessary nutrients to maintain healthy sperm. Conversely, a diet high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can lead to oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which can damage sperm DNA. This damage can then be passed down to the child, potentially increasing their risk of developing chronic diseases later in life. Similarly, physical activity plays a crucial role in sperm health. Regular exercise improves blood flow, reduces oxidative stress, and promotes hormonal balance, all of which contribute to healthy sperm production. On the other hand, a sedentary lifestyle can have the opposite effect, negatively impacting sperm quality and potentially influencing the child's predisposition to obesity and other health issues. Babies born with low birth weight, a common outcome for offspring of overweight fathers, face increased health risks. These include obesity, type 2 diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. The cycle of obesity can begin in the womb, with low birth weight babies more likely to become overweight. Low birth weight is linked to insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Babies born small are at higher risk of heart disease and stroke. Addressing paternal obesity is crucial for the long-term health of children. A father's weight impacts his child's future health. These babies face a lifetime of health challenges. A father's obesity can cast a shadow on his child's future health. Section 6. Expert Insights. Dr. Mariana Rinaldi Carvalho's perspective. Dr. Mariana Rinaldi Carvalho, the lead researcher of the University of Sao Paulo study, emphasizes the significance of these findings, stating, "Our study adds to the growing body of evidence that a father's health, particularly his weight, can significantly impact the health of his offspring." She further explains, "It is crucial for men to understand that their lifestyle choices can have long-term consequences, not just for themselves, but also for their children." Dr. Carvalho's words highlight the need for a shift in perspective. For too long, the onus of a healthy baby has fallen solely on the mother. This research compels us to broaden our understanding, recognizing the father as an equally important stakeholder in the journey toward a healthy child. Dr. Carvalho's research is a call to action for healthcare providers, policymakers, and families alike. It urges us to move beyond the traditional focus on maternal health during pregnancy and embrace a more holistic approach to family health that includes preconception care for fathers. Section 7. A call to action. Prioritizing paternal preconception health. The findings of this groundbreaking research necessitate a call to action, urging a greater emphasis on paternal preconception health. Just as women are encouraged to adopt healthy habits before conceiving, men too must prioritize their well-being. This includes maintaining a healthy weight by adopting a balanced diet and engaging in regular physical activity are crucial for achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. Making wise food choices, opting for nutrient-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins while limiting processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats can significantly impact sperm health. Quitting smoking is essential. Smoking has detrimental effects on sperm quality and DNA integrity. Quitting smoking is one of the most impactful steps a man can take to improve his reproductive health and the health of his future children. These lifestyle changes, while seemingly simple, can have a profound impact on a man's reproductive health and the well-being of his children. Section 8. Shifting the paradigm. Embracing a holistic view of family health. The emphasis on paternal preconception health signifies a necessary shift in the paradigm of family health. It moves us away from the traditional model that focuses solely on maternal health during pregnancy and embraces a more inclusive approach that recognizes the father as an equally important contributor to the well-being of his children. This shift requires a concerted effort from various stakeholders. Healthcare providers need to engage men in conversations about their reproductive health, offering guidance and support in making healthy lifestyle choices. Policymakers can play a role in promoting public awareness campaigns that highlight the importance of paternal preconception health. Most importantly, families need to engage in open dialogues about health and wellness, recognizing that the journey towards a healthy child is a shared responsibility. By working together, we can create a supportive environment that empowers men to prioritize their health, not just for themselves, but for the well-being of their families and future generations. Section 9. A Healthier Tomorrow, the Promise of Informed Choices. The University of Sao Paulo study serves as a powerful reminder that knowledge is power. Armed with this understanding of the profound link between paternal health and offspring well-being, men can make informed choices that shape a healthier future for themselves and their children. By embracing healthier lifestyles, men can rewrite the narrative of their genetic legacy, paving the way for a brighter and healthier tomorrow for generations to come. The choices we make today have the power to echo through generations. By prioritizing our health, we are not just taking care of ourselves, but we are also investing in the health and well-being of our children and grandchildren. It is a legacy worth striving for, a future where health is not a matter of chance, but a conscious choice, a gift passed down from one generation to the next.